Yo, what up? Jeff Samuda. Today, I'm freaking hyped because a few days ago, we got the $69 gaming PC resurrected, finally. What's crazy, the only thing we had to do is apply thermal paste. Because the other thermal paste was dry and crusty, and I kept picking the motherboard up by the freaking cooler. But what I did is I bought a new freaking motherboard, which I'll show you in a minute, an Asus board, and it's another AM3, takes DDR3, so now we got an extra one for another build. So on top of getting the under $69 gaming PC running, we have more parts for another PC. So all we need now is a cooler and an SSD. So I'm hyped on that. So we're gonna have another PC build coming soon. Tried to make this video with Caden, but he was too busy playing on his PC, so I'll insert some B-roll of the PC itself running, looking dope, even wired up the freaking reset switch, so you don't have to use a screwdriver. But yeah, hyped. Been wanting to make another video lately. Now I finally have a reason to, because we got the PC built again. So enjoy this B-roll. Peace. So the new motherboard I picked up is an ASRock M3A790GXH-128M, and it did come with RAM too, some ADATA 4x2 sticks, and that's what I swapped in the $69 PC. So the $69 PC is rocking some new sticks of RAM, and what Caden is gaming with is a Xbox 360 controller, and he's got his pink keyboard and mouse that he loves using, and his background is Jumbo Josh. Enjoy the build.